Well, we have been working on what's called two-sided market and try to understand how they will function and how to regulate them possibly. So two-sided markets are markets where you need to attract both sides of the market. So, for example, for Google, you need to attract what's called the eyeballs, so people who are going to go to the website, and the advertisers. And many such markets have these specificities, and any kind of platform, credit cards also, payment cards have this specificity. They must attract merchants and also cardholders and so on and so forth. What we have shown is actually that the antitrust economics of such markets are different from the standard markets. So, for example, often you have prices which are way below cost. Actually, if you think about Google, you as a customer, you get a very good deal. You actually get for free, and on top of that, you get all those services with email and search. By contrast, the advertisers are going to pay quite a lot. The same is true also for payment cards, where the merchant pays a lot and the cardholders get a lot. And that raises issues with competition policy, but not the standard issue about predation. Predation means that you are pricing below marginal cost, or even with monopoly pricing. So there are different issues. Now, it's clear that in such industries, by the way, you just tell me if I'm speaking too fast with emotion. It is clear that with such industries, the network externalities are very strong, so you have a tendency toward monopolization. Such monopolization is not dangerous as long as there is a possibility of entry. So having a temporary monopoly can be fine, but you need to have possible entry, what we call in industrial organization contestability, so that more dynamic firms can replace the incumbent firm. And the antitrust authorities have to be careful with that. But the message I want to send is that with those two-sided markets, the messages for competition policy are a bit different than the standard ones for one-sided markets, which we have been dealing with since the late 19th century.
Okay.